गोंयांत अजूनय कोविडाची साथ चालू आसतना लेगीत प्राथमीक शाळा सुरू करपाचो शिक्षण खात्याचो निर्णय चुकीचो आसून सरकार ल्हान भुरग्यांक तशेंच तांच्या पालकांक त्रासान घालूंक सोदता असो तोमणो महिला काँग्रेसची अध्यक्ष बिना नायक हाणें मारला.
I personally feel that it is ridiculous to expose the small children from 1st to 4th to the virus, COVID virus, which still prevails in the state of Goa. Small children are more susceptible to infections. No matter how much precautions the parents may ask the children to take, but when they go to school, they will forget everything about it. I would like to ask the Education Department as well as the Minister, Education Minister, whether they consulted the school management committees before taking up this decision, whether they took the opinion of the PTAs, whether they are willing to send their wards to the school, especially the primary section students. Are primary schools well equipped of sanitizing the classes regularly? What if the child is a carrier of the infection?